So ignore this situation. It's either eczema or an allergic reaction. I really don't know yet. Okay. So what we have here is a massive mukbang, and oh my god, my lid popped off my soda. My life is ruined. I can't display the food in front of you. I'm in my room. But cheese curds, bacon, double cheeseburger, no pickles, french fries, medium root beer. It's just what they put there, but I got Dr. Pepper 3-piece chicken tenders, add ranch, french fries, ranch on the side, another medium drink. So, I was watching videos from shade channels, and by the way, these are cheese curds. They give us this grossest marinara sauce you're ever gonna fucking eat. Yeah, I've been watching shade channels lately, and I'm starting to worry myself. This is a cheese curd. It's rainy out. My mom's not here. She should be here because she's off, but I have work today, and I got paid today. So I went and I used some coupons, and I saved, and I budgeted my money. You like watching this little dip action? I got 2 Dr. Peppers because I'll level with you. It's the only kind of drink that isn't extremely watered down when you go to a fast food place. If I get Mountain Dew, it tastes like fucking lemonade. If I get Pepsi, it's too much. If I get Coke, it's... But I get Dr. Pepper when I go to fast food places every time, whether it's Wendy's or whatever. Fun fact, Dr. Pepper is not Pepsi. It's separate from Pepsi. How do I know this? Because on Pepsi and Mountain Dew, it says bottled by Pepsi. Bottled by Pepsi, you know. But on Dr. Pepper, like a case of Dr. Pepper cans of soda, it says bottled by Dr. Pepper. These are so good with ranch. And this is the only kind of ranch that I fuck with. Like, if a restaurant or whatever doesn't have this kind of ranch when they hand you a packet, the Marzetti. Scoodle says we don't talk to you. I'm waiting to legit get halfway through this mukbang and Mom Bear walks in downstairs and goes, "You didn't fucking do anything wrong, Mom." And I don't have a door in my room. I can't lock her out. Oh my god, look at the melted cheese. All you vegans, you might want to look away because this is the meaty burger. Like, Wendy's gives you real burgers, and so does this place. This is the A&W, by the way. I've done so many mukbangs with their food. Like, they give you real fucking food. Like, I know it's still fast food. In my head, I know that my mom didn't make this burger and bring it upstairs to me after she wrapped it in foil with a logo on. Obvi. But I mean, have you ever seen anything so gorgeous that you wanted to put in your body so much? Don't answer that. Tomato, the onion, the lettuce, fuck the pickles, because I don't eat pickles on sandwiches. You will notice, I didn't say I don't eat pickles. I just don't eat them on sandwiches. I have to be hungry for them. It's a separate delicacy, you know what I mean? I don't know where my mom is. Here's the thing. You guys heard what I ordered, alright? But I put the little... It's still in the bag. You heard what I ordered, and it cost me like 15 something. But I was watching shade channels about mukbang people. And there's a theory that this one girl doesn't swallow her food because she cuts her videos. She said she cuts her videos because she doesn't want people to have to sit there and listen to her chewing for a minute. But if somebody tunes in to watch you eating, sis, they want to watch you chew. They want to watch you swallow. That's what eating is. Some people watch other people eat, and this is one of my theories, as a way to cope with, like, dieting. To watch somebody else enjoy, like, the sundae or the cake or, like, the burger you can't have. While you're eating a salad, you know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with that. This, I feel like burgers aren't that bad. I mean, I also have 2 orders of fries, an order of chicken tenders, and an order of cheese curds, and 2 sodas. So, altogether, this is very bad for me. It was like 15 bucks for all that, though. Before anybody goes, well, it would have been less at McDonald's. Does McDonald's have cheese curds? Can you hear me? Am I chewing, or can you hear the rain? Sometimes I chew with my mouth open. Sometimes I don't. But I'm still not sucking my fingers and going, like certain people that do this. They're like, I'm just like, stop. But in your opinion, if you watch somebody mukbang, like if you tune into a mukbang video, if you click on it on purpose, you want to see the whole process. You want to see them biting, masticating, chewing, and fucking swallowing. One more bite of that. Now I'm going to move on to the chicken tenders, because they are amazing. But they're better when they're fresh than when they're not. Like most things from fast food places. This particular fast food place, let me show you a fry. You know what's funny? If you're a Shane Dawson fan, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. If you're not, you're not gonna get the reference. Shane Dawson drinks Diet A&W, but when he was doing his food videos, I don't think he ever did, like, going to an A&W restaurant and getting their food and, like, trying it. And he should have, because, like, I really wish I was one of those YouTubers that had, like, money to spend on, like, equipment. I would mount a mic right about here. And then you could get, like, could double these videos as ASMR videos. So yeah, I like my fries, like I like my men bigger than necessary, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I know I don't need a 10-inch penis to satisfy me, but is it nice to be able to tell my friends, hey, my boyfriend has a 10-inch dick? It would be, yeah. I have what I think is either an allergic reaction or eczema on my neck. I don't know yet what it is. I'm trying to put all the, like, half-eaten food in the same bag so I can just grab it and take it to my car. And that's what I get to eat today. Put these other ranches and ketchup and am I the only one? No, this is a 3-piece, okay? I should have specified that I wanted a 5-piece, but I probably saved money in getting a 3-piece, so. Well, these look fucking burnt, like roasted. Or they're still gonna taste good. Yep. I'm gonna get the cute, aesthetically pleasing one. And I'm putting all this in the same bag because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm almost done with this mukbang because it's getting to be like 15 minutes. And so this is what their chicken curds look like. Dip that in ranch. Did I just say chicken curds again? Rewind that. Rewind it and times tape it if I said chicken curds, because oh my god. Although when I was being waited on, a guy came in and was like, do you guys have cheese cubes still? And they're like, cheese curds, and he's like, oh, cheese curds, and she's like, yeah, you say that a lot when you come in here, and I've been meaning to correct you. I was like, bitch, you rude. But same. Do you ever get annoyed at stuff like that, and then you sit back, and you hear yourself in your head later saying that to someone, and you're like, why did I care? I'm like, look at that. You see how juicy it is? Oh my god, it was so juicy when I bit into it. I'm so fat. One of these I only filled up to like right about here because I was filling up with the fountain. And it got to here and then it was all foam and I was like, oh shit, it's gonna overflow. I pulled it away and I didn't want to put it back under there after I had put it in the cup carrier. I was like, By the way, guys, I have a TikTok. Some of you are just like, unsubscribe. I have a TikTok and I post funny content. I don't try to be cringy, but if I am, I'm just like, cringe queen, you know, like, I just accept it. Some songs are just too fucking good to not lip sync in a sexual way, you know what I mean? Like, this is what we call a circumcision of a fucking straw when you go to a fast food place. They give you this, they give you the straw with a little foreskin on it. Which I did this. I set the scene, sis. That's why I did this. I'm gonna tell you why I did it. I had to go in instead of using a drive-thru because my fucking driver's side window does not roll down. When it would roll down, it wouldn't roll up. So, you know, I don't know if it's a blessing or what. And sis, I had to walk quite a distance because I parked what I thought was close, but it wasn't. Because I'm stupid. So, yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That little mukbang. I know it's not as long as song. There's like 40-minute mukbangs on here, but what am I, Trisha Paytas? My life is not interesting enough to have enough to talk about to do a mukbang for 40 minutes. Also, this is a phone, not an iPod or an actual camera with a card in it, so like, bear with me, okay? My TikTok is at Jess in a Bottle, so if you have one, even if you don't post videos, comment on one of my videos saying I'm a subscriber from YouTube. And make sure it doesn't sound like a bot, because there's a lot of bots, okay? I appreciate nice comments from anywhere, because, like, a girl needs them, but so much of it is bots that it's like, I'm just gonna fucking leave these here. Because then if actual people watch my videos, they're like, she must have a lot of fans. What's funny about it is when you do a little video where you're talking like I am right now, and someone goes, I love this song, and it's like, or like, you're not dancing or anything, and someone's like, you have good moves, like, you know, it's, I don't understand it, but I'm gonna go, because this is almost 20 minutes, and I did not intend for it to even be that long, even though I did get a good bit of food. Thank you for watching, thank you for, enduring this. You might not be able to see it, so I'm gonna get close. You see this? It's under here, and it's all around here. I also have, what I believe to be hives that are healing up, or so I think, on my arm right here, and right around here, and some right there. So, I don't know what it is. This is the second time I've gotten it. The stuff that's on my chin and on my face feels more like eczema because it gets scaly, and I use coconut oil on all of it, but this gets, like, scaly. I was using Benadryl at night, and if you take 2 Benadryl, it lasts, like, 12 to 24 hours, but at the same time, it's, like, Benadryl makes me sleepy, so I can't take it during the day. I can't take it if I'm going to be driving, or if I'm going to be at work, or if I'm going to be home and expect myself to get up and do things. Because it makes me tired. As much as I wish it didn't kick my ass, it does, because I'm an old lady. But I'm going to go, because this video is getting longer and longer, and I'm tiring you guys out, and I'm boring you. So, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry it's been so long since I've posted a real video, and that my last video was of a poem or a story or something, and it was probably really depressing and worrisome, and some of you were like, this is the end. Yes. I did go through a bout of depression. But I'm pretty okay. That's how depression works, you know. So thank you for watching, and I will see you little rays of sunshine later.